Okay. Now, first of all, let me tell you. See, I have unmuted all of you. I have muted all of you, and whenever is required, I will unmute. Right, so that it will not create chaos. Right, everything will be answered. If you have any questions, do not worry about that. Even if it is going to require some extra time, no problem. Right. Second thing is, this is only for installation. I will again repeat. It is possible that some of you might have installed things like Anaconda or Pycharm already. So yes, it's okay, no problem, right? If you have installed it, there's no need to learn. But still, if you want to join the session, yes, you are welcome, no problem, right? So what I will do is, in my case, the required things are already installed. So what I will be doing is, I'll ask one of you to share the screen, and on his machine he will do, it, and others can follow. And if in between someone gets error, we will see that. Right? Always. Okay. So I was telling that some of you might get error in between, right? I hope, and yeah, let me know. Just let me know. Maybe because of some problem, if I'm not audible in between, just be frank. Just let me know in the chat box. So what I will do is, maybe okay, let me just speak what people are saying. Okay. So first thing is, you are going to require, or in those 5 6 days, what are you going to require is, we are going to require two tools. The first one is Anaconda, correct? So actually, we require a Jupyter notebook. But here, this, in this Anaconda, what is Anaconda? All those things I'll be discussing tomorrow. Okay. Try to understand. This is what we are going to require. It is called as Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is the thing with which we are going to start. This is one tool which we are going to require. Another which we are going to require, or which I am going to make use of in this hands-on workshop, is Pycharm. So everyone should have these two tools installed on your respective machines. This is what we want. That's why we are here actually, to do all those things, right? So that tomorrow it will not waste our time. I hope everybody is clear. These are the two things which we are going to install on our machine, and this is what is required. Again, I will repeat. There might be some people who might be having all these things already installed on the machine. I am not going to discuss any other thing other than the installation because your sessions are going to start from tomorrow, right? This is just to save your time. Okay. Now, what I will do is, let me. The first thing we will do is, we will install this one. We will install Anaconda Navigator. Do not worry what it is. Don't worry about that. If you are not aware about it, if you are aware about it, that's good. Okay. Because see, one thing is that, let me tell you, I have been told that I should start from the very basics, from the scratch. That's why I will not be hoping that we will know this or we will know that. I'll be starting from the very basic one. So in that case, if some people are already aware about, just have some patience. Okay, because see, internet is there, maybe you might be aware about some of the things already. But have some patience, I will be discussing everything which is mentioned in the content. Right? That's what our target is. So first thing, Anaconda Navigator. So let's try to start with the installation of Anaconda Navigator. Okay. Now, just any one of you, just one by one we will go. See, I will give chance to everyone. One by one we will go. Just let me know in the chat box who is ready to share the screen. We will install it on his or her machine, and others can follow. In between, some other people get doubt. We will just write here. Just let me know in the chat box. Just let me know your name. I will allow you to share the screen. I will give the access, and I will unmute you. Because see, this is how I can show you how to install it practically, right? What are the steps? Others can follow me. Are you people getting? Just let me know in the chat box who is willing to share the screen. You don't have to do anything. You just need to follow my instructions. That's it. And installation again is very easy. It's an exe file. Just let me know in the chat box. Anyone. Just let me know your name in the chat box. I will unmute you and I will allow you to share the screen. Are you people getting whatever I am trying to say? So it will just save our time. Oh, so I'm getting some responses. Let me just check. Others, I hope everyone has joined. So that's what I'm saying. Ashar, that's what I'm saying. If you have already installed, that is good, no problem. This is for whom? This session is for whom? Those who do not know how to install the things. I already told that it might be possible that some of you might have installed it already. Even some of you might be knowing basic things already, right? So I want such a person who do not know how to install it, and on his machine, these two things are not installed. Pycharm and Anaconda Jupyter. We want Anaconda. Simple thing, right? Can you just let me know? Anyone? Just let me know in the chat box. I will unmute that person. I will allow that person to share the screen, and then you just need to follow the instructions. Yes. See, I have links also. I can directly share the links, and I can ask you to follow. But there are some things where you need to be careful while installation, while doing installation. That's why I'm asking you people to share. Anyone, you can share the screen. I can see 44, 45 people there. Okay, Dheeraj is also saying already installed. So let me just ask you: has everyone installed it? Yes or no? I will go to Pycharm. If Pycharm is also already installed, then we will stop. We will meet tomorrow. As simple as that. I asked you people to join the session just because of installation things. Nothing else. Just try to clear. Okay. Because the workshop is going to start tomorrow. Okay. So Shivam, see, Shivam, if it is not installed, can you share your screen? Uh, Pycharm, those people who are saying Pycharm, what do you want to say? Pycharm is not installed. This is what you want to say. Okay, 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 Ashar. We'll come to Pycharm. First of all, let me know: is there anyone who has not installed Anaconda Navigator? Is there anyone? See, if you are not replying me, then I will assume that everyone has installed this thing. Okay. Okay, Ajay. Ajay, then can you share your screen? Okay. Ajay, I will unmute you. Wait. Ajay Shinde. I will unmute Ajay Shinde. And just let me know, Ajay, what's the problem. Yes, Ajay, you can unmute yourself. Just unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So, do you have Anaconda installed?
No, sir.
No. So, now can you share the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I will do is, guys, I will stop sharing my screen, and after this, you'll be able to see Ajay's screen, and I will just try to follow. First of all, see, I told you, first of all, I will make sure that everyone has Anaconda installed, then I will into patch. Okay, so, just a minute. So, Ajay, I will stop sharing my screen. Now, just try sharing your screen, Ajay. You will be able to see the option share the screen, maybe at the bottom. Yes, Ajay, are you getting? You will be able to see the option to share the screen at the bottom. I will unmute you once again, Ajay. Or otherwise, see what I will do. All of you guys, what I will do is I will unmute all of you. Okay, I will unmute all of you, and then whosoever is having doubt about installation, just just let me know. But talk one by one. Okay, it should not be a chaos. That's why I muted all of you. Just let me give. Yes, now you can unmute yourself. Ajay, I think you are not responding. Can you just share your screen, Ajay? Or maybe, okay, I think who wants to share the screen? He is not ready to share the screen. Anyone? Or otherwise, just let me know, guys. If you do not have, okay, who's that? Praksha Das. You can share your screen. Yeah, try sharing your screen.
Sir, I'm not able.
Wait, now just check. Yeah, now you share your screen. I have given you the access. Yeah, yeah, now it's coming. Yes, now we are able to see your screen. Ajay, maybe you can try it out later on, or you just follow whatever we are doing. Okay. Now, Praksha, you do not have Anaconda installed, right?
No, sir.
Right. Now, what you do is just Google. Just go to www.google.com. Right.
Sorry.
Just in the address bar, type Google. Okay. So, right. Now, what I'm just click on that. All of you follow. All of you, those who do not have Anaconda installed, follow her. Just click on that. Click on to Google. I'm just telling you. I am not directly telling you the link. Right. Just type here. Install Anaconda. Enter. I already told you. Some of you already installed. Okay. Already. See now. Just click on this link. Okay. If someone is lagging behind, let me know. Okay. Wait. Raksha, just wait. Okay. We will go step by step so that everyone else should also get time. Now, now in your case, it's Windows operating system, right? Click on this. Windows, installing on Windows. Okay. Now, click on this. Download the Anaconda, install. I hope those people who want to install Anaconda, they are following her. Okay. Now, just scroll down. Now, see, if you just click on this download, now see, it has taken you to the end of the screen. So whether it's Windows operating system or Mac or Linux, accordingly you need to download the version. Download this one, 64-bit graphical install. Okay, now your download had started, right? So you can check 2 minutes it is showing in your case, right? So for others, what I will do is I will directly share the link for Anaconda. Okay, so whatever she is doing actually. So I will send the link in the chat box to everyone. Just check your chat box. I have sent the link for installation of Anaconda. In her case, you can check that download has started. Right here, download has started. So let it download first. 2 minutes remaining. So you can check what is the size. In about okay, 457 MB. And see, it's a simple exe file. I already told you installation of Anaconda Navigator is straightforward. Exe file you will get, double click on that exe file, next, and finish. But at some point you need to check one box that is going to be very necessary, right? That's why I'm making
Sir,
sure. Yeah,
excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Sir, will you please repeat the steps after which you shared the link? What to do?
Yes. On which page you are, Pratiksha?
I'm on the very first page where you
Okay,
means
okay.
I just opened the link.
Just a minute. Raksha, just let it download first. Till then, let her share the screen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So stop sharing your screen and Pratiksha, you share yours. Once you share.
Okay, okay, sir. Just a minute.
Yeah, now you can share the vision. And it's a very simple, what you can say, installation of Anaconda. It was straightforward.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, it's visible. Can you just maximize? This just open browser.
Yes, sir, I opened
Yeah,
the
yeah.
link.
Now maximize it. Maximize it. Click here.
I'm trying, sir. I'm trying.
Okay. Yeah. Click on this one.
Anyway, sir, continue. Let it be, sir.
No, no, no. Click on Windows. See, I'm able to see. Click on installing on Windows. Click on this link. Now download Anaconda install. See, even if it will take time, no problem. Okay. We need to make sure. We need to make sure that everyone has this thing installed. Otherwise, tomorrow what will happen? I will just be discussing some of the points, and you do not have installation ready in your case, right? So it should not happen. Are you not able to just move this particular screen to this side at least, Pratiksha? Just
Uh,
check
Sir, actually, the Zoom status bar is in upside. That's why I can't move it
because
aside.
okay, because I am not able to see your screen, right? So do not worry about Zoom. Just maximize that screen. Yes, just maximize that screen. Why is it happening, Pratiksha? You should be actually able to move that.
Yes, sorry, sir.
You should be able to move this particular screen. I am not able to see the full screen. Can you just click on this?
Just
Can you just click on this maximize button? See this one. I'm highlighting.
सर झूमचं ते पॅनल आहे ना ते तिच्या
Hmm.
वरती आहे त्यामुळे मला ते मॅक्झिमाइज करता येत नाहीये.
So no problem. So just drag that zoom panel.
I got it. I got it.
Ah, see. Right. Now scroll down. Go to the end. Scroll down. Yeah. Otherwise, click on download or scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, this one. So, yeah. Click on this one. Now download has started. Okay. See, Pratiksha, in your case, download has started.
Yes, yes.
So maybe because of speed, I think it is showing you 1 hour. But see, this video is being recorded. Maybe if suppose because of speed, if you are not able to do the things in the stipulated time, do not worry. I will be sharing the recording today itself. But remember, everyone should be ready with these things installed on your machine. Okay. Now, Pratiksha, can you stop your screen? Sharing your screen.
सर तुम्हीच करा ना तिकडून
Wait,
माझी
wait.
स्क्रीन
Okay.
बंद. Yes.
Okay. Now, yeah, Raksha, share your screen so that we will continue with you. Raksha, are you there? Can you share your screen? Oh, now is download complete? Okay. Now see all of you. In her case, download is complete. I hope those people who have not installed Anaconda, they are following. Okay. Now, Raksha, just click on this arrow and show in folder. Click on show in folder. Yeah, show in folder. I hope everyone else is following. Now, see what she has got. Wait, wait, do not double click. Listen until I do not tell you. Do not double click. Okay, do not don't do anything. We will go slow by step by step. We will go very slow. See, all of you, everyone should have this file downloaded. This file. It's an exe file. You can check it's an application, right? So what you need to do is just double click on this file. Just double click in your case. Now, as it's a exe file, it's an application. So what going to happen is, see, do not click. Okay, do not click on next. So see, all of you, you should be able to see this kind of a screen, right? Everyone, those who are following, or maybe even if it is not downloaded in your case, I will again repeat that you will get this particular video today itself. I will be just putting this particular video onto Google Drive and I will be sharing the link. So you can follow that. Do not worry. At least try to understand what are the important steps. See, now in her case, she has downloaded. She double click on that and she is able to see this particular screen. Now click on next. Right. Now, as simple as always, you might have installed other applications. Right. Exactly same thing we are doing here. Just click on agree. I agree. Now see, here you will get two options: just me, all users. But they are only saying that just me is recommended. So what we will do is we will not make any change in this. So let it be as it is. Okay, and just click on next. Okay. Now here there is one thing to notice. Always remember what happens is when we will install Anaconda, Anaconda by default creates a folder with the name Anaconda 3. But where it creates a particular folder in this part. C users and username. For example, in her case, the username is HP. So C drive users folder, username and Anaconda 3. Why am I telling you this one? Because that one we will be making use of something called as environment. In your case, I'll be showing you some projects also. So in that case, Jupyter or Anaconda is not going to be sufficient. In that case, we are going to require IDEs like Pycharm or VS Code. We are using Pycharm. Okay. So this folder, Anaconda P, remember it is present in C users, username and Anaconda. Okay. So by default, who creates it? Anaconda itself creates it. And it is just showing you how much space it is going to take and all this. So required space is 2.7 GB. This is what it actually requires. Do not worry, those who are having some questions, okay, why are we using Anaconda, why not Culture? I'll be answering each and every question. Okay. Now just click on next. Now here, this is very important. Now if you go and if you check on internet, they will say that click on install. Do not click on install. But here, what I am going to need is I need you people to click on this box. See, there is a checkbox, but that checkbox is not checked by default. What I want you is click on that particular checkbox. See what will happen? It will show you warning. Let it be. Even if it is going to show you warning, no problem. But that is going to be very important because I told you we are going to create environments later on. And I will tell you what is environment, why we require. Okay, do not worry about that right now. Whatever I am trying to do, just do the same thing. Click on that add Anaconda 3 to my path environment very. It will just save your time. Okay, so in case of Raksha, she has checked that and now you are able to see that there is something warning kind of a thing or not recommended, it is showing you in red color. But don't worry, you need to do that. Okay, remember that you need to do that. This is the only step you need to take care. Even if you do not do it, no problem. But if you do it here itself, it is going to save your time later on. And that's it. These are the only steps. Just click on install. Now see, in our case, installation has started. Now it depends on your machine how much time it is going to take for the installation. Okay, in some cases, maybe on some machines it will be faster. On some machines it will take some time, right? So let it complete now in your case, and definitely once it is installed, what you need to do is just press Windows button and search for Anaconda. You should be able to see Anaconda Navigator. So maybe it will take some 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. It depends on your machine, Raksha. Let it be. Once it is done, just let me know in the chat box that you are done, and I will ask you to share the screen once again, and I will tell you how to start the Anaconda Navigator. Is it clear, Raksha? We have it
Yes,
out.
sir.
Okay. Now what I will do is Is there anyone else who wants to share the screen till on Paksha's machine it is being installed? Is
Shall I
there
stop
any?
sharing?
No, just wait a minute. If there is no one who is sharing, then you can continue. Otherwise, if someone wants to share, then only you can stop. I will leave you. But till then, just continue with this. Okay, Paksha? Just continue for some time. Is there anyone else who wants to share the screen? Is there anyone who is facing any issue? Because tomorrow it should not happen. Tomorrow you should not ask me, or you should not tell me that you do not have Anaconda installed, you do not have Pycharm installed. So I am again and again asking you people, is there anyone who wants to share the screen, or is there anyone who is facing any issue with the installation? So if you are not saying anything, that means I will assume that everyone else has Anaconda installed successfully. So Khushi, do you want to share your screen? You can unmute even. I have given you the access to everyone. What do you want to say, Khushi? Do you want to share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, Praksha, now you stop with sharing your screen, and Praksha, once it is done, let me know. Okay, once it is complete. Yeah, who was that? Khushi, right? Share your screen now. And once everyone says that Anaconda is installed, then only I will go to the Python. In case of Python also, it might happen that some of you might have installed it already. No problem. Can you share your screen, Khushi? That will say that. Are you there? Yes, are you there, Khushi? Do you want to share the screen? Okay, start trying. So why it is not? Why you are, I have already given the access. You will get share option. Maybe just check. There will be a strip where you will see in green color. You will see option called as shares. Or just unmute yourself, Khushi. Can you just let me know what is the problem? Okay, I think she is not there. She has left. Okay. Anyone else who wants to share the screen? No one? No. Okay. Raksha, in your case, is it done?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay. So it means that most of you, I think they already have this thing installed in your case. Khushi, I can see you are there. Can you just unmute yourself and just let me know if you have any problem in installation? Access is not given. I have given the access, Khushi. I have given the access. Can you just unmute yourself and let us know that what kind of screen you are able to see? Because access is already given. That's why other people are able to share this.
So I'm not able to share.
So what it is showing you, what type of message it is showing you?
सर शेयर का ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा है मीन्स स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रहा
नहीं आपको मिलेगा ना ऑप्शन वहां पे नीचे देखो ना एक स्ट्रिप रहेगी वहां पे ऑप्शन मिलेगा जस्ट स्क्रॉल योर माउस ऑन द स्क्रीन डेफिनेटली यू विल सी वहां पे ऑप्शन आना ही चाहिए नीचे देखो एक स्ट्रिप होगी वहां पे ग्रीन कलर में शेयर स्क्रीन करके ऑप्शन बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन द एक्सेस आपने जो किया है ना अनम्यूट वगैरह वहां पे देखो पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो ऑप्शन था उसी के बाजू में शेयर स्क्रीन ऑप्शन रहेगा चैट शेयर स्क्रीन वहां पे मिलेगा other people can you please confirm are you able to see share screen option see it will save over time if you answer the options. If you just let me. Yes, see, other people are saying that they are able to see. Kushi, just move your mouse, just what you can say, hold your mouse on the screen here and there. You'll be able to see.
I'm not able to check.
Are you able to find out the option for share
Yes
screen?
sir. शेयर स्क्रीन ऑप्शन आ रहा है, उसके बाद नहीं आ रहा कुछ भी.
इनको होना चाहिए share. Raksha, share your screen. Let me check.
Sir, she is not clicking on the tab of share at the bottom right
That's what I
corner.
am trying to tell her. It is not possible. Just show her whether you are able to see the share the screen, so that everyone will see. Now she is able to share the screen. I have already given the access. Now see. Can you just try it once again, Kushi? You will be able. Just check there. Just check the options. No problem. Even if it will take time, no problem. Just check the options. Okay, I will once again ask. Any other person who has not installed Anaconda? Any problem? In case of Anaconda, anyone? So I will assume that other people they have Anaconda installed already. Okay, I have shared the screen. I have shared this particular link in the chat box for Anaconda. Those who are not aware about, they definitely can refer. Anyway, and in this video also we have already shown you the steps. We are ready to check. Right? Yes, Kushi, have you got that option to share the screen? Otherwise, let me show you. And yes, people, if you are aware about some of the things already, just let me know that you are aware about it. I am not going to repeat it. Yeah, I also do not like to waste someone's time. So, share screen on Zoom as participant. See, Kushi, are you there? Can you
Sir.
just, yeah,
Yes,
now see,
sir.
I will show you the steps. What you need to do is, I will share my screen. See. Are you able to see? See?
Yes sir.
Click on the up arrow near the share screen button in your meeting control bar. Share screen button is there. There is an up arrow. Click on that.
I'm getting that.
So follow these things then. Or otherwise, let me maybe I think check the images if it's going to make your job easy. See, this kind of a thing you should be able to see. This kind of a thing you should be able to see this one. Because from my side I have given the access. Okay, let me. Where are you stuck? Have you started? Yeah.
Sir, can you please stop sharing?
Yeah, I will start. Yes.
So is it visible?
Not yet.
Is it?
No. Just click on share and just wait for some time. Maybe it will take time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, by the way, where are you stuck?
Also, open system preferences and cancel. Two options are there.
In which case you are talking about Anaconda?
Hello. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. In which case you are talking about?
Sir, sharing screen.
See, what was the option you are saying? Open preferences and
Cancel option is there and open system preferences.
why are you opening the preferences? Just take it. Just click on cancel.
Done.
Yeah, and once again go to share
Share.
screen.
Again, that option is coming.
Open the preferences there. It should not happen. You should be able to share the screen. Have you people used Zoom earlier, right? Or is this the first time?
So we have used.
Okay, we have used, right? So I think there should not be any problem.
So I will do after some time.
Okay, maybe. Let's see. You just be there, okay? Just
Okay, sir.
otherwise, we'll solve that problem later. Once, let me just complete the installation of Pycharm. Okay. Last time I'm asking you, is there anyone else who is not who has not installed Anaconda? I hope it's done for everyone. Okay. Raksha, can you share your screen one more time? So okay, so in her case, it is taking some time. It is setting up the base environment. Okay, let it be. Raksha, stop your screen. I will tell you what to do after this. Let it complete. Okay. Now see, once you people have installed Anaconda, what's going to happen is, suppose see, you just need to go and press Windows button, come here and search for Anaconda, and you should be able to see these things. See, in my case, if you people are able to see my screen, Anaconda Navigator. See, this Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda Pro. This is the thing you should be able to see. So if I go and if I click on here, Anaconda Navigator, it will open Anaconda Navigator. Here I will be able to see Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, Spider, VS Code, R Studio, different things I will see. Because Anaconda is a framework. And what is framework? Framework is something where we have everything at once. So what's going to happen is it will load. It will show that green circle. Okay, now see it is loading, and once it is loaded, it will show us everything at one place. So these are the steps to install Anaconda Navigator. So in my case, let it first load, and once it is loaded, I will show you what. See, now this kind of thing will be in this green circle. I hope 100% many of you, sure many of you have actually already used it. Okay, but yeah. So is it showing anything in my case? Okay, we will install already done instance already in my case. So it is just loading Anaconda Navigator. So I will show it to you how it looks like, and then we can proceed with the Python installation. So is there anyone any doubt in Anaconda installation? So I hope now I think successfully everyone has installed it. Now see, you will be able to see something like this. So here you can see you have a lot of options to run your program. I will be talking about each and everything. Which are the different options to run your Python program. You can use Jupyter Lab, you can use Jupyter Notebook, you can even use a black screen console kind of a thing, and there are other options also. In your case, you'll be able to see something different because I have installed a number of things actually. You can see Spider, okay. But see, whatever the code I'll be sharing, you can run that code in all the tools. Don't worry. If you want to make use of anything, suppose generally what happens is, suppose maybe someone from your family or your senior, they might be working on Python, so they will tell you that okay, use command prompt or something like that. Let me tell you, whatever the code, whatever the notes, specifically whatever the programs or the code I'll be sharing, you can run all those codes on all the platforms. So do not worry about that. Okay, but just to start with, we need something, right? So it's not like that only Anaconda is there to run the background. No, it's not like that. But I'm just trying to clear all these things because generally it happens that you might ask some senior, you might ask your relatives, they will say that okay, this or that. I will give you the advantage of using Anaconda. There are other tools also, there are also. And as I said, you can use all of them. You can run the code which I'll be sharing. You can run that code on all of these tools. Okay, so one by one we will see. Okay, so I hope you people are able to do all these things. Out of this, I will be using what? I will be making use of this Jupyter notebook. So you just need to click on this launch button. Okay, so what it makes use of? It makes use of browser. Okay, Praksha, you have done installing. That's good. So okay, just a minute then. Let me just show that what will happen once you click on launch button. I will again repeat. I know that many of you have done, might have done it already, but I need to start from the basics. See, this is what you will be able to see, and this is the place where we are going to run our program. Go here, click on Python 3, and then whatever you will be able to see, it is Anaconda Navigator. And whatever you are able to see here, this is equal a cell. Cell is the place where we are going to run the program, where we are going to run a Python program. Yes, this is called as cell. I will be explaining you all these things tomorrow. For example, if I want to run a command like 6 plus 8, and if I press Shift Enter, it will show me the result. Right? So like this, you can go and you can actually 6 minus 9. So this is how you can actually. I hope till this point everyone is there. So yes, I think everyone has done it. Let me check. Yes, Praksha, do you want to share the screen? Or you are able to do this?
Sir, I can do.
No problem. So let's move forward. Let's try to talk about another tool which we are going to require, and that is nothing but Pycharm. Pycharm is what? Pycharm is an IDE tool. Okay. So what to do is I will share one link, or otherwise I think I have already opened the this one. See, I am sending this particular link in the chat box. Those who have already installed it, no problem. That's it. Those who not, for them I am sending the link. Just click on that link. And yes, anyone please share the screen. I have shared a link in the chat box. Copy that link, paste it in the address bar, and you will be able to see this screen. Anyone interested to share the screen so that I will show it to others also? Or if you want me to do it on your machine, I can do that. I can have access on your machine and I can do that. See, even though it's very easy, but it is the part of your prerequisites, right? That's why I'm doing this. I just downloaded the community version. Okay, Asha, just a minute. So, okay, Asha, can you then share the screen once if you have downloaded this one? See, out of these things, let me tell you, depending on whether you have Windows or a Mac or a Linux, select the version. In my case, it is Windows, so click on Windows. I click on Windows, and you need to make use of which version? We need to make use of community version. Remember, okay, community version, because it is open source. Try to understand community version. Click on this download button. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, no, don't understand, already know. You people already know it. Anything, can you please reply? Okay, thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Samruddhi. So just whenever it is necessary, just reply me, okay? Because that is going to help you whether you are meeting or not. So I hope everyone is able to understand whatever I am trying to say. Simple installation. Right. Now, Ashar, can you just share the screen? I hope it's Ashar, right? Ashar, can you share the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me just stop it. Oh, now you can share the screen.
Is it visible?
Yes, now it's visible. So now see, just a minute. Ashar. Now see what he has done. He has downloaded the community version from the link which I have shared. Right. Now again, it's an exe file. You can see it's an exe file. Right. So it's an application. What you need to do is just go to the location where the exe file is downloaded. Maybe in his case, for example, it's in downloads folder. Right. You just go there and click on it. So Asha, just click on this particular link. Yeah, now see, he clicked on that link and the installation is going to start. Let's see if it should pop up the video. Now see, wait, you should be able to see this kind of a window. Again, it's a exe file. It will not take that much of time. So I hope everyone is able to see this kind of a thing. Welcome screen. Welcome to Pycharm Community Edition setup. Something like that. If you are not aware about Pycharm, don't do. If you are aware about Pycharm, that's good. Okay. We have to download community version. Yes, Pratiksha. That's right. You need to download community version. Is it clear, everyone? Or if anyone has any question, either unmute yourself or send the question in the chat. Right. Okay, I hope no one has any question now. Okay, Asha, just click on next. Now see, by default, you don't have to do anything. By default, it has taken the destination folder. So by default, the destination folder, it makes you something called as JDBs. Again, this is one way to install Pycharm. Other ways also. So it is going to show space required and the space available. So for example, in Asha's case, lot of space is available, right? And the required space is only 840 MB, and he has there about more than 350 GB space which is available. So yes, he can go and he can install it. So setup to install Pycharm Community Edition in the following folder. That is this one, right? So if you want to install it some other folder, you can actually click on this browser. But do not do that. Just let it be whatever it is. Do not make any change. Just click on next. Now see, you people will be able to see different options. Nothing is checked. These are the check boxes, but in this case by default nothing is checked. So Ashar, what you do is check on all the boxes. Everyone see this, and I am asking him to check on all the boxes. There was nothing checked, so you need to check on all the boxes. Remember this. Okay. Now click on next. Okay. Now see what's going to happen is it is going to show, see, select the start menu folder in which you would like to create a program shortcuts. So we are not making any change here. Whatever is there by default, that is JetBrains. It is going to create this kind of folder. So we are not going to make any change. So I hope you people also going to follow the same thing so that it is going to be uniform. Later on, whatever the changes you want to make, you can. Okay, just a minute. Those people who are trying to write down on the screen, do not do that. Okay, otherwise I will remove it. See, whatever 5 or 6 days I will be spending with you people. I want some output out from that. Okay, I want everyone to understand. So do not try to disturb. Okay? If you have any question, yes, please ask. Now just click on installation. Now see, installation has started. Pycharm installation has started. Maybe those people who are in third year, they might have used it already. Those who are in second year, for them it might be new. So those who already know, have some patience. We will do one by one. If you want some extra things, some advanced things, I'll be sharing that one also. But we will go step by step because that's what I have been told. Okay. And I don't want it like just complete everything without understanding. Right? I want you people to understand. I want you people to try it. A lot of things I'll be sharing tomorrow. Okay? Step by step we will go. So see, this is how Pycharm is going to be installed. Anyone, any difficulty in this, those who are trying to install it, those who already done it, no problem. Those who are trying to install, do you have any doubt in difficulty in this? Okay. What you can do is completing Pycharm Community Edition. Your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of Pycharm Community Edition. You want to do not do anything right now. Ashar, wait for 5 minutes. So see people, this is what you people will be able to see once you are done with the installation of Pycharm. This is what you will be able to see. So the last step is what? You need to reboot your machine. You need to restart. See, they have written it, right? So till this point, anyone, any doubt? Simple, straightforward steps are there. Anyone, any doubt? I will again ask. Yes, no? Can you please just reply? If language is a problem for someone, let me know. That's no issue. And whatever may be the question, okay, it may be a very silly question, don't hesitate to ask. Don't hesitate to ask. Okay. Can you please reply me that? Are you getting yes or no? Just let me know in the chat box. I hope I am audible to everyone. Okay, okay. So most of them they are saying that yes. So they are saying yes. That means everyone is doing it. Okay, okay. No problem, man. Ashar, now if you want to, maybe you can reboot it later on if you want, or you can reboot it right now. Okay. Is it clear, Ashar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So maybe if you want it, to reboot your machine later on. Once you reboot your machine, what will happen? Now I will share my screen. You can stop sharing. Now see guys, I will share my screen and I will show you once your Pycharm is installed successfully, what you people will be able to see. So again, go to this press Windows button and search for Pycharm, and now see, you should be able to see Pycharm Community Edition. So in your case, I think it is latest. In my case, it is 2.19.0. Just click on this. So maybe the skin which I am using, I think it is in white color. In your case, I think it will be black. Even you can change the skin color of that particular skin color of the Pycharm also. That ID also you can change. See, something like this is going to come in front of you, and you will be able to see the place where you can write down the code. In my case, it will show me some warnings because I was working on some projects earlier, so it will just relate to that. Okay. So see, this is how I am able to see. Now see, it is asking me create a new project. So these warnings are showing. Okay. So open, create a new project, something like that. Suppose I click on create a new project. So these are nothing but the projects which I have already run. That's why in my case it is showing me all these things. In your case, you will not be able to see something like that. Okay, so do not worry about that. So suppose let me click on this. Some title of the project. Suppose one. Okay, on the create. So once I click on create, now it is going to load the project. So whatever you are able to see on my screen now, this is nothing but Pycharm IDE. So these are just the tips which Pycharm usually gives. And Pycharm is like it has a lot of things which help you to connect third-party software also to different cloud platforms. So if you people have gone through the contents which I have shared with you people, right? So you might have seen this at the end of the day we are going to discuss about deployment, how to deploy your project also. So in that case, this Pycharm IDE is going to be very okay. So see something like this, we'll be able to see. So this is called as Pycharm IDE. So I will be telling you how to write down your programs here. This is nothing but IDE, integrated development. The only difference you will see that in my case, this is in white color. In your case, the color is different. This is just skin color, I can say, nothing else. Okay. So maybe here I can go, I can start new project, I can open the earlier projects. Suppose I want to open earlier projects. So generally how I'll be making use of this Pycharm thing is, suppose if I want to show you, suppose let me just exit from here. Right. Now it is closing everything. Let me show you some projects are already there in my case. So I think let me go to desktop and let me show you a simple example here. See, suppose this one. Now see, here I have a lot of projects. Suppose from this one I go from this. So now these are the project files. Do not worry about it right now. Okay, these are the project files. How do we actually make the this Pycharm means? We write down the programs, we get all the files at one place in one folder, and inside that folder, see, you might be knowing that Python programs are generally saved with .py file extension. So what we do is in this case, this app file is a Python file, app.py. Okay, where Python code is written. So I will just right click here and open folder as a Pycharm community edition. Why am I getting this kind of option in my case? Because I have already checked all the boxes while installation. Those who have not checked the boxes, they will not be able to see this kind of option. That's why I told you to check all the options. Otherwise, installation is both in both the cases, whether it's Anaconda Navigator or the Pycharm, is one and the same. Now, what's going to happen is now that project is going to open in Pycharm. This is one way. This is generally we also follow in real time if you want to work on some projects. And this is also way. This is also the way we follow. And another way is just go to file, open, and go to that particular location. I will be doing it a lot of times in the sessions. I will be showing you each and everything. So do not worry if you are not able to understand anything. Okay. But today's purpose is just that I need to make sure that everyone has all these things installed on the machine. Now see, this is nothing but a Python. So this is actually one application which we will be talking about later on. But yes, and here we have a lot of things. For example, if I want to check my terminal, so what I will do is let me just highlight some of the things here which we are going to do. In Pycharm itself, you will be having a terminal, right? Whatever you can do on that command prompt black screen, you can do it here. Or otherwise, you can run the code here. You can run your code from here, or you can run your code from going to this particular option. So different options are there. So generally, what happens is whenever you want to create some application in real time, we always make use of IDE. So there, in this course, in this workshop, even though I am talking about Pycharm IDE, okay, IDE stands for what? Integrated Development Environment. But there are other IDEs also. For example, there is something called as VS Code, Visual Studio Code also. If someone by chance already aware about VS Code, yes, you can use VS Code. I will be making use of Python. I am again and again repeating because generally what happens is we generally go for some workshops and then maybe we ask seniors, as I told you, relatives, they will suggest something. That is also right, absolutely. But yes, for these 4, 5, 6 days, whatever we are discussing, I am going to make use of Anaconda Navigator and Pycharm. Okay, so this is how you can install both of them. Now let me ask you one more time: is there any doubt anyone? Because if there is no doubt, then we can start. Okay, people are saying no. Okay, so this is the connection of Python and Mac. Can you take my screen access? Yes, Kushi, no problem. Installation on Mac also we can. Installation of Mac for what? Python. Okay. Okay. Other than that, any doubt? Okay, then Kushi, I hope no one is having doubt. So you are using Mac operating system, right? So what you can do is I will stop sharing my screen, and you can share the screen. Am I audible, Kushi? Can you share the screen? Are you there? So I am hoping that everyone else is done with the installation. Otherwise, by chance, if someone is lagging behind, no problem. I will share this video. Today, you try to do it, right? Try to complete it. If you get it out in between, just let me know. Even on WhatsApp also, you can If you are facing any issue, just let me know. Just share your screen. You already have my number, right? Just you can even send the screenshots on WhatsApp. No problem. And yeah, those who are done, they can drop. No problem. This is what I wanted to tell you. So Khushi, are you there? Can you just reply me back? What is the problem? Yeah. So can you share your screen? Have you got that option? Yeah. Now I'm able to see the screen. Yeah. So I'm able to see your screen now. Now where are you? What's the difficulty you are facing? So just first of all, close this whatever the window I'm able to see. Yeah. Okay, I think you have. Can you just show me which file you have downloaded for Pycharm? Right, just click on this then. Click on this. So just a minute. Pycharm, you can have downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yeah, click on open. Wait, it should load. So are you able to see any window? Okay. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. See, now what it is saying, yes, I confirm that I have read and just click on continue. Wait. Now, see then, okay, don't send. Now it is opening Python. Right, now here, what you can do is, click on new project. Okay, now see, here you can give, suppose give your name, for example. Instead of that, instead of Python project, give your name. Whatever the thing which is highlighted, just delete that, backspace. Yes, just delete this. Give slash, give slash here. Now write down your name suppose. Yes, write down something here. Write down your name or whatever the name you want to use. Okay, now click on create. See, I am not expecting that you people should be an expert in the Pycharm IDE or something like that. Okay, just close this. All these things come to you through practice. So don't worry, those people who are not aware about anything, do not worry at all. Because I always see that there are mixed years, right? Some of them they might be doing something already. So don't worry. Any question, anytime, just be frank. Okay? Everything should be clear. Now, what's happening in your case is it is creating virtual environment. I haven't talked about what is environment, but it is something important. Environment is something which we already tried to create separately for a separate project. Why? That we will discuss later. That's what actually it is trying to do in your case, creating virtual environment. Environment is always necessary for creating the for working on the project. Now see, I told you people that you people will not be able to see the white screen because in my case what I have done is I like that color. That's why I was making it for that particular thing. By default, you will be able to see this kind of a black screen. So no problem, right? So yes, Kushi, it is done in your case. Right? If you want to click on terminal, see here the terminal, and if you want to run anything, you can run your programs by going to the file. Right? All those options are there. Is it clear, Kushi? Any doubt? Any other thing? You can just unmute yourself. Let me know. Yes, no. Yes, Kushi, is it? clear, or do you still have some doubt or any other doubt? Hello? Okay, thank you. Okay, Praksha is asking what are the timings of the workshop. So timings of the workshop, will come to know about that. I think Vishal sir is going to tell you about that. But I think the timings are I think maybe 10:30, because there are some faculty also who are going to join. So the college timing, I think college timing is 10 a.m. right? So maybe 10:30, 10:30 to 12:30 have a session on tomorrow. Right? But most probably this will be the timing. But if there is any change, Vishal sir is going to tell it to you today. Clear, everyone? Any doubt? Last time, let me know yes, no. Otherwise, I will stop. Okay, sure. Thank you. So I hope then maybe if you are not asking, that means either it's clear or you already know. Okay. So yes, people, that's what I wanted to discuss today. Now, maybe tomorrow will be our first day, so tomorrow we'll get an idea how we are going to discuss things, how we are going to sharing the things, because there are a lot of topics you can see in this particular syllabus which I have shared. There are a lot of things which we are trying to discuss, and I know that 5 days is like, obviously 5 days will not be that much sufficient, but yes, I will try to cover each and everything whatever I mentioned here. Right? But what I need from your side is responses. You should try it out. Okay, unless and until you do not do hands-on things, no one can teach you. Even anyone maybe you yourself will need to try it out. So there will be a number of questions which I will be sharing. There will be some assignments I will be giving to you people. So this 5 days, like, spend it like anything. Okay, and it's not like only for 5 days. After that also, if you have any doubt, you can ask. So I will be telling you a lot of things actually. There are some things which are going to benefit you also in different ways. We will be discussing all those things. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Then I hope everything is everyone has installed it. Those who are not installed, please try to install it today itself. I will be sharing the link for this video in the WhatsApp. Okay. So with that, let me just stop here itself. So let's see all of you in the session tomorrow, right? So bye all of you. I'm going to just end the video. And as I told you, if in between if anyone any doubt in installation or something like that, you can WhatsApp me. No problem. Okay. But make sure everyone will join with laptop or desktop, and everyone has all these things installed on the machine. Okay. Bye.